In this video, I will show you how to add an admin to your Facebook page. First things first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner and you will land on screen like this. Here what you have to do is switch to your page. So click on pages in the menu and switch to the page where you want to add an admin. After switching, go back to the menu, scroll down and you will find settings. In the page settings section, look for page setup option, and if you cannot find it, then you can use the search bar to search for page access, and once you click on it, it will bring you to a screen like this. Now click on this option of page access. Here you can see we have this option of add new, so click on it. Now Facebook will explain what giving admin access means. Now you can choose the person you want to add and ensure that you are selecting the right person. You can give them full control, but note if you give full control, the person can remove you and even delete the page, so be careful. Once you select the person you want to add as an admin, next what you need to do is enter your password to confirm the change. The person you added will receive invitation and they have 31 days to accept. You can cancel the invitation anytime by tapping the three dots next to their name.